Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. And for today's video, I wanted to share with you a PCOS smoothie recipe. I've spoken about struggling with PCOS on this channel over the years and know that many of you deal with it too. So I thought sharing recipes that are a bit more PCOS diet friendly would be a great addition to this channel. This smoothie is low glycemic, anti-inflammatory, rich in antioxidants, and high in fiber. So technically, this is just an overall healthy and delicious smoothie that can be enjoyed by anyone. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need a mix of berries. Here I'm using strawberries and blueberries. The reason berries are so important here is because they're rich in antioxidants, high in vitamin C, are a great source of fiber, and can help with weight loss. Most importantly, they're low in sugar, and strawberries in particular have been shown to reduce blood sugar and insulin levels after meals. Next, you'll need flaxseed, which has a really great fiber content and also helps to reduce high levels of androgen or testosterone levels. Next is almond milk, and unlike regular milk, unsweetened almond milk is low in carbohydrates, low in calories, and don't spike your blood sugar. Almonds and nuts in general are great for PCOS diets. They're also rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber. Now finally, for my favorite PCOS superfood, cinnamon. Not only do I love the taste of cinnamon, but it really helps to lower the demand for insulin in the body. In fact, a study conducted on women showed that those who consumed cinnamon daily had twice as many cycles as those who did not. So for the next step, you'll just want to go ahead and add all of your ingredients in a blender and give it a really good mix until you have a nice liquidy consistency. Now, depending on how you like your smoothie consistencies, it can be as chunky or as smooth as you like. Some people really like to get bigger chunks of fruit in their smoothies. I like it to be a bit more in the medium side, a bit smooth, a little chunky. So it's really up to you. So once you're done mixing, just pour it in a glass and drink up. This is so delicious and quick and easy to make. I hope you guys give it a try. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!